bike. Get off.
Because we're men. We don't need these.
What about you?
Good, and then you can shut the f up.
All it takes is switching bikes for us to start being dumbasses.
I'm Freddy, I get done first. I'm top of my class.
If this is the Freddy that we get, confirmed Freddy needs a Harley. Kill switch gang.
That's it.
It's so fucking quiet. Right, it was loud before you hit record. Yeah. Welcome, everybody, to this episode. It's exciting.
Y'all are terrible at intros, man. Just horrible. What up, Block fam? Welcome to today's episode. As you guys saw there on the intro, we've got a bunch of Cardo Pack Talk Edge communicators sitting here in front of us. So for those of you that have followed the channel for a while, we did partner with Senna previously. A lot of us still do have those. I've got one set up on my helmet right now. And they've been great for a long time, but the community has talked so much about Cardo that we were like, you know what? Let's reach out to Cardo, install these things, and see what they're all about, because y'all freaking love them. We've gotten a lot of feedback on these in the comments section. So thanks to you guys for really, like, I guess, making us aware. And yeah, in this episode, we're gonna install them. We're gonna try them out. So there you go, everybody. Take your Cardos. Hooray! Oh, also, hats. Apparently these demo headphones, so these are JBL. So apparently you can connect these up to the communicators. If we're doing like B-roll and stuff, I can essentially wear these like while in the truck and we're doing like rolling shots, and I can communicate wearing those to the person that's on the bike wearing a Cardo, which is pretty cool. Get these unboxed, installed.
Open another box. Wow. Box within a box.
Whoa.
Oh, okay. All right. Whoa! Stickers!
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 Look at our sticker powers combined.
Because we're men. We don't need these.
Be a man.
Don't need no damn destructions. Ruin your own day.
JBL speakers.
JBLs do be sounding good though.
Everything in the box. You get a microphone, you get your cable, you get some adapters and clips for, oh, they even have this own button
Hey, we got stuff.
microphone. So
Nice.
that's good stuff. Different mounts for the helmet, however you want them, clipper or stick. You can get whatever you want on it.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm digging this. This whole, hey,
Yeah.
put it on. It's very, oh, there you go.
So for those of you that might want to use the clip instead of the adhesive, that's pretty much how it goes. And then it's gonna clicks into place, and then that's just gonna go over the helmet.
All right, alcohol prep pad. So while they're doing that, I'm over here downloading Cardo Connect. So let's go.
I already did that.
I'm about to listen to music in my helmet. What about you?
Good, and then you can shut the f up. Bonding. Back to bonding.
Love you. I just want to ride with my friends, but they're just still playing with their helmets.
I'm Freddy, I get done first. I'm top of my class.
Bonding.
Bonding. Ooh, drop it.
Why are chickens so awesome? Anybody?
Because.
Good try. It's not my best. 100%. Yeah.
Let's go.
Is it playing music?
I can't hear you.
I guess it's
That
playing music.
bass though. Put your helmet on. Oh, there you go. Nice. Ah, it works. It works.
I guess the next part to experiment with is riding, right? Yeah, I guess. So we'll do that later, after tacos, probably next week.
I'll do it.
Skadoosh. All right, welcome to the riding portion of the video. I've got my app here. I haven't charged this battery since we opened the Cardos, and it's been a little bit because we finally found time to ride. The time that we were gonna ride, it was raining for like a week. Anyways, let's go ahead and connect. So the cool thing is apparently I can record these guys who also have the Cardos to the app and then export it from there, and we can use that audio in the video. Now I'm going to have a microphone recording the GoPro so that it will have a better audio presence, but we'll do a little comparison, like a test, see how they sound side by side. I go to voice recording, and I hit start recording. Did you guys hear that little brr, brr? No?
Nope. So discreet recording. We don't know when you are.
Yeah.
Ding, fries it done, ding, fries it done.
Ding, fries it done, ding, fries it done, ding, fries it done, ding, fries it done.
Would you like a number 5 with that? Would you? All right, straight to the gas station, boys. Oh my God, your Harley-Davidson is so loud. Guys, GTA has prepared me for this. Hamana. Ding, fries are done. Ding, fries are done.
That was funny.
I f***ing hate you guys for singing that. It is stuck in my f***ing head.
Right, same.
Oh my God. Is that a 70,000 mile Ninja? How many miles you got on that thing? Isn't it like 60 something?
72,921.
Holy f***, I was right the first time.
Yep.
72,000 miles. That's nuts. So what are y'all's thoughts on the Cardo thus far? You've ridden with it a couple times, listened to music and all that.
For me, I think if you're a rider that wants to listen to music only and then ride with a group of friends, Cardo is the way. Audio quality with music and bass and the JBL speakers, 100% best out there.
Yeah, I agree. The music and like the quality of the audio is like top notch.
Top tier.
As far as the communication side, it's a pet peeve is the whole you have to create a group. So it's not like other ones that have channels. This one you have to create your own group friends. And then once you're connected and the headset is on, it just automatically connects.
If you're riding with like your main group of friends though, it's,
Yeah.
after you do it, then it's like instant. Like you just turn your car on and then you're like in the chat room.
It could be good and bad because I don't have that feeling like a quick hop on and off.
Right.
Get like a new friend and you gotta like go through the process to get them into the room.
Yeah, you can't just like add it on the fly like without the app. So you actually like you have to have the app open to do it.
Correct.
Gotcha.
It's not like Mesh where you're like, done.
That was the only pet peeve I had. I was like, oh, hey, somebody else coming on. Well, hold on, I gotta add you to the app. Like, we gotta set that. Similar to the older days, you know?
Right.
It was like, oh, you gotta sit down and like a pre-ride before a ride, and you just say, get everybody hooked on.
But you said you know how to connect Senna and Cardo, right? Like, how do you do
Correct.
that?
So there's another feature that you can connect, and I think Cardo posted it on their Instagram and kind of with the connection settings that you can use a backpack pole and connect it to a Bluetooth unit, whatever unit you're using.
I mean, it's like a whole workaround, but it works though.
Yeah.
Right. I know with one of them, it's like if you're connected through Bluetooth, then you can't use the voice record feature, I think. Isn't that right?
Yeah. Because the Bluetooth connection is straight to that unit and not your phone.
Yeah, so you can't do a dual Bluetooth connection, yeah.
If Bluetooth connected to your phone and you're using your phone as a storage device. Cruising around 75, 80, and I still hear you guys pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah, I can hear you perfect.
Even though like it's a little bit loud, but like the speakers, the way they sit, everything is, I'm hearing you guys over anything else.
Any other like thoughts while you guys have been using it?
Battery life, oh my God, like you gave it to us like probably a couple weeks before this and it still haven't charged it, and I just turned it on and it was still 50%. But that was a lot more of just sitting there, right? I think we have to probably do a test of you using it throughout a ride day, right? Like we go on rides that is 2 to 3 hours long all day, constant in the mesh, constant with music, and that's where probably test it a little bit more.
It ducks the music really well when you guys are talking and I'm playing music.
Oh, nice. It has like that side chain feature. That's cool. Yeah, audio ducking or whatever. Yeah, there's a lot that's done really well. I know like previously whenever we made a video also, like having hands-on controls, and it does take a little bit versus like a jog dial on like a Senna, but audio controls or like the voice commands apparently are incredibly intuitive and like accurate. I know that's one of those things that I did get frustrated a little bit with Senna. Yeah, definitely as we use it more, we'll have to continue to you use them and evaluate battery life and use those voice commands. I've done them a couple times, and you know they've been dead nuts accurate. So
I like this shock wheel. Makes more sense for me to flick it than do this, like the circle motion.
yeah, it does.
Are we still talking about Cardo?
Yeah. Just flick it, bro.
I like to flick it. You know.
And the on and off of this unit, just to like slide it in,
Dude.
and just slide it in another one. Oh my God, that's.
Dude, yeah, the magnetic just clink. Still recording. We good. We Gucci.
Gotta check that just in case, you know.
Right? Yeah.
With insanity.
Bro, it's the worst feeling. Like you stick your phone in your pocket and then you're like, oh, we're not recording anymore.
Gonna get another day.
But yeah, overall, I think it's a great unit.
I feel like it always just comes down to like what you and all your homies is, you know.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Especially like lately, when I've been riding, I've like been with Wes and Eric, and they've got Senna still, and they're like, "Damn, bro," they're like, "You gotta switch back," and I'm like, "Nah, I'm good." Like,
when we went to NASA, you weren't in the chat because you had your Cardo on.
yeah, just me and my thoughts. Yeah, I think it's very well thought out, very well rounded, with it being like weather resistant. Like it's no concern getting caught in like torrential rain like we did coming back from NASA. I mean, I've had zero issues with it so far. Definitely going to continue to use it more, put it through its paces, but overall thus far, incredibly impressed. Whenever I did open the app, it did say that I had an update, so that's not something like, you know, with other brands that you have to kind of keep up with. It'll just let you know, like, hey, there's an update available for your unit.
I love riding around here, man.
Yeah.
I'm in the mix of the water. You can almost pull over right here. We'll turn around and
Yeah, I'll hit this little pull in right here.
Check, 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 check. Chickadee, check, check.
Check, check, y'all. What it is, y'all? Can you guys still hear
we're
it?
talking about
Yeah.
where you don't know. Oh.
All right. Still working. It's getting choppy. I lost you guys. Hello? Well, pretty much line of sight. I don't know if you guys heard that. It said group connection lost, so it even lets you know that you're like no longer connected to your group. Get off the bike. Get off. All it takes is switching bikes for us to start being dumbasses. Be like, ooh, new bike. Confirmed, Freddy needs a Harley. If this is the Freddy that we get. Kill switch gang. All right, overall thoughts, final thoughts on the Cardo.
This right here is
And then it's crazy because you can like hold it from that, like it's
like
so
this
strong.
right here,
Yeah.
you can hold it from it.
Nuts. That captain hat though.
No, you gave it to me.
Hell yeah. There is the review on the Cardo Pack Talk Bold. So we'll continue using it, but thus far, stamp of approval, connects super quick. The app, incredibly intuitive, easy to use. It has the voice record feature, so if you basically just have the Cardo installed on your helmet, I'm running a microphone to my GoPro so you guys can kind of hear my voice a little better, but we'll do a comparison. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. So we'll see what the audio quality is like, but yeah, that removes, like, you know, if you want to record the whole group, it removes like you having to set up some special audio setup. You can literally just do it to your phone, boom, you're good to go. Battery life, great. Waterproof, water resistant, great. Super easy installation, quick and easy, intuitive app. Audio quality, amazing. Voice control, there's so many different perks. If you are connected up with somebody else that is not on Cardo, if you're doing that Bluetooth connection, you can't record the voice, which not a big deal at all. Big thanks to Cardo sending those out, hooking up the crew. Greatly appreciated. If you guys are interested in any of these, check out the links down in the description below. I'll also be sure to link to a couple of other Cardo units. They sent us these like headphones as well that we should be able to connect up, which will be pretty badass with the DMC. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Big thanks to Justin James and Freddie Rods for riding along. Go give them a follow. Life of Justin James, Freddie Rods. Hit the like. If you guys aren't subscribed, hit subscribe. Hit the bell icon so it sends you notifications, future uploads and activity. Be part of that Billy squad. Till next time, ride safe, stay vigilant. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace. That was it.